A soft-spoken guide drifts over Iceland's layered horizons, where waterfalls carve silver threads through basalt cliffs and Icelandic skis. Glaciers glitter in distant valleys, while drone footage glides above caved fronts, revealing ancient blue depths and quiet, patient motion. Volcanoes pulse softly beneath the earth, then erupt in memory as steam rises against dawn, a reminder of Earth's breath. Northern lights unfold like a tranquil aurora tapestry, synchronized with gentle strings that float over the landscape's hushed awe. Overlays provide practical tips and travel cues, while the narration shares fascinating facts about geology, ecology, and Icelandic culture.